Ever wonder how computers can instantly spot every face in a video? Watch closely. Each green box you see is drawn automatically, frame by a simple Python program. Now let's rewind a bit and look at the same video before any face detection was applied. This is the raw footage. We'll be using this exact clip for our little experiment today. Before we dive in, we need to make sure our environment is ready. To do that, we install the OpenCV library, which gives Python the ability to read videos and detect faces. Once that's set up, we can start writing our code. At the beginning, we import the library and set the paths for the input and output videos, basically telling the program which file to read and where to save the results. Then, we load OpenCV's built-in face detector. This model is already included with OpenCV, so there's nothing else to download. Next, the video is opened so the program can process it frame by frame. We grab details like the frame rate, width, and height. That way the output video will have exactly the same size and timing as the original. We also prepare something called a video writer, which is responsible for creating the new video file. As the program detects faces, each processed frame will be added to that output file. Then comes the main loop. This is where the magic happens. The code reads one frame, converts it to grayscale so the algorithm can focus on structure rather than color, and then it searches for faces. When it finds one, it draws a bright green rectangle around it. Each completed frame is saved to the output video, and every few seconds you'll see progress printed in the console showing how many frames have already been analyzed. Once the video ends, the program closes everything and prints a final message saying that face detection is complete and the result has been saved. Let's run it and see what happens. And there it is, our video, fully analyzed, every face detected automatically. It's a simple script, but pretty impressive, right? If you enjoyed this project, you'll find plenty of similar step-by-step lessons in the courses section. Feel free to check them out. And if you'd like to support our work, you can join our community or subscribe to stay updated with more fun and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.